Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ here today to introduce you to a brand new product of ours. These are our Gold Tooth Performance LED Turn Signals. These have an 1157 base, they're plug and play, backed by HOGWORKZ lifetime warranty, and are the perfect complement to our brand new Gold Tooth LED headlight setup. We're gonna jump into a quick installation, show you how easy these are to get you on their bike, and show you how great they look. Let's get into it. Okay, in the kit, it's going to include the LED turn signal inserts, which have the 1157 base, as well as the amber turn signal lenses. To begin the install, you're going to want to remove your OEM lens cover. To do that, simple and easy, just a flathead screwdriver. There's a little notch at the bottom of the lens cap here. Just kind of pry it off there, pop that off. And to remove your OEM halogen bulb, you're just going to turn it and pull it out. We're going to take the new LED insert. These only go in one way, so if you don't get it the first time, flip it around and should be no problem going in. Just push and twist. Once you have the LED insert installed there, you're going to want to kind of coil up the wire and just kind of push that back so it's out of the way so we can get our lens cover installed. So go ahead and hold the LED insert there. Find the notch at the bottom of the lens cover. Start at the bottom and snap it into place like that. Go ahead and repeat on the other side and you're going to be good to go.